So if you haven't seen the new speakers that Episodes came up with, these are the Radiance speakers here. This is a quick unboxing of the new Radiance speaker that we're going to be installing in one of our clients' house. These are spectacular. Wow, this is heavy. So these are outdoor audio speakers, fully 360-degree sound, and man, these are heavy duty. You can connect a light to the top of it if you want, and it can give off light. You can control the light through your control 4 system. That's the subwoofer there. It's huge. It's in this box here. It's a huge subwoofer. Alright, so we'll get back to you once we do the install.